Emmy, Kristen, 20, Jason,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Everything is made up of molecules. Everything you've ever seen is made up of molecules. Molecules start moving around or vibrating like this, and then when molecules are moving, they give off heat. And it's because they're vibrating so fast that it's giving off so much thermal or kinetic energy that they start to get warm. And eventually the molecules will start sometimes the molecules, if thermal energy is taken away, they start to slow down, and then they become regular molecules again. And cold is not actually a form of energy; it's just a place where there is no heat. Sometimes this is called conduction. Sometimes moving molecules will bump. The blue molecules are moving and the red molecules are not. The moving molecules will bump into non-moving molecules and start to make them move. This is called conduction. It's the spread of heat. Heat.
What do you notice?
It gets warm.
And that's supposed to happen.
Really?
Yes, when objects rub together, heat is created.
That is so cool.
I know, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is what the Fab 4 science group does for children.
That is so cool.
This is the popcorn experiment by the Fab 4.
Our big question was, does the amount of oil affect how fast the popcorn is popped?
Our hypothesis is we think more oil will make it pop faster.
Our materials and oil.
Our steps are set the machine up, measure kernels, measure oil, pour popcorn in, and turn machine on.
Our variables are, the independent variable is the amount of oil, the dependent variable is the speed at which it pops, and the controls are the machine and the heat.
This is our first test. It took 3 minutes and 18 seconds precisely. This video takes quite a long time.
It's the process.
The whole process of making popcorn. Now this is a popcorn machine, and keep in mind that we kept it on the same heat, and the only thing we changed is the amount of oil. We had the same amount of kernels, and it was the exact same machine for both parts of our experiment.
We made sure to be very precise.
That popcorn looks good.
Delicious. It tasted great.
Yum.
Yum, yum popcorn.
Popcorn.
This is our second test. We had it going a lot faster than the first test because we were able to use a different camera for it. This is exactly the same amount of popcorn as we said before, and it's the same machine, same heat, just this one has more oil. Our hypothesis was incorrect because the one with less oil popped faster.
Our new question is, will an air pop machine affect the times?
Popcorn. Too bad one member of the Fab 4 was nowhere to be found. She probably got hit by a truck or something, but who cares? The end.